Welcome to section 1 of the Lighten Up workbook. This section is entitled, Where Are You Right Now? With this section, it's really important to remember to take the time to do it properly. This can actually be one of the toughest sections for our members, and that's because it's really about uncovering what's true for you and what's probably been true for you for quite a number of years. So it's critical that you're really honest with yourself through this first section, even if it gets you to a point that you're uncomfortable. Remembering that when you're out of your comfort zone, it's far more likely that you're actually going to uncover the truth for you. So taking your time with this section and accepting that it may be a bit of a tough journey at times is going to ensure that you get the clarity that you need to achieve the body that you want. In this section, you'll go through 3 different areas. Firstly, you'll uncover what your real issue is. Then you'll work out what it is that you really and truly want. And sometimes that's not what you think you want right now. I often have clients who say that they want to achieve X number of kilos in terms of their weight. But when they really drill down and look deep within themselves, it's not just about the weight, or it may not even be about the weight at all. It can be about a whole host of other things. This is your opportunity now to find out what it is that you really want. Lastly, in this section, you're going to make everything solid by setting a goal for yourself so you can achieve the body that you really want. Now you'll notice that the Lighten Up workbook is divided into 5 sections, and on page 8 of the workbook we list out the top 5 reasons that we've found are preventing you from obtaining your best body. And each of those reasons, those top 5 reasons, is linked to one of the sections. So just if you turn to page 8 and have a look, I'll just point out that there are 5 things there, and as you've read through those reasons and as I speak to them now, you may find that one of them or 2 of them will really resonate with you, and just notice that, because that means those are probably the sections that are going to speak to you the most. So the first reason why you may not be achieving what you want is that it's actually not important enough to you. And what do I mean by that? You think, for example, that you want to achieve a certain weight or a certain body shape. You feel that society tells you that, your family or your friends might be saying that to you, or you might perceive that they're saying that to you or judging you. But the reality is that you don't actually really want what you think you should have. Because if you did, you probably would have achieved it by now. So it's important that you think about that and uncover for you if this is really what you want, this initial area of your life that you're looking at, or the initial goal that you're setting for yourself. And section 1 is where you uncover this. Section 1 is about where you are right now. So as soon as you get real with where you really are and what you really want, you'll know if this is a reason for you. So is it really important enough to you to achieve? And if it's not, why don't you free up the energy that you've been wasting on that particular goal and channel it into goals that you really do want in your life? Or why don't you come up with a goal in relation to your body and yourself that is what you truly want? So you have options.